Hi, welcome to News NC channel. This time I will show how to remove all email in Trust using Roundcube Webmail. As we know, Roundcube and Horde is one of the most used application for webmail in hosting. But I think Roundcube is harder to use because I found experience very difficult to remove all message. For example, you have many inbox here and you delete this. Example, I delete all of this email. Okay, can delete this. After delete, uh, all message is moved to trust. And once again, we need to remove all this because we need to saving our disk space for webmail. Okay, to do that, you can just select this gear because this interface is harder. Okay, you can select this and then just click empathy and then click OK and you're done. Now your mail is clean again and you don't need to delete one by one in here. That's all tutorial how to remove all message in Trust using Roundcube application for webmail. Any question you can fill in the form comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.